Okay, page 37, guys. This part about budgets. You're going to read it by yourself about what is a budget, what is income, what is expenses, saving, and the debt. Well, there's these two concepts I want you to pay attention. One is called a surplus, the other one is called a deficit. Okay, and I'm going to ask a volunteer to read just these two concepts for us. Okay, now let me see who's turn. Kayla?
Surplus, any extra money at the end of a given period after expenses have been paid. Deficit is the amount of money that a budget is short at the end of a given period after expenses have been paid.
Very good, thanks. Okay, so see the example. If I say after this, months of the expenses and the income, you have some little surplus. What does that mean? Do you have some extra money left? Yes, you are. Okay. What does deficit mean? If we say, oh, at the end of this month you have a deficit about something, that means do you have any extra money? No. Okay. You spend too much. You spend more than you spend. Okay. Well, you spend more than your revenue. Okay, your income. So here I just want to let you know that when the income is more than the expenses, you have some extra at the end, you have surplus. Deficit means what? Your budget is short. I mean, you apparently spend too much. You spend more than your saving or your income. Okay? Deficit means you're short on money at the end of some certain time period. You guys? Okay. You just understand this concept, okay? All right, now let's turn to page, guys. Let's turn to page 41. CPI and inflation, okay? So I'm going to ask a volunteer to read the entire gray box and also this short paragraph, okay? Now let's see, whose turn? Stephanie? Not here? Christine? Christine.
Oh, it's here.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Okay, sorry. Inflation is the rise in the general level of prices of goods and services in an economy over time. The Consumer Price Index is a monthly number that reflects changes in the prices paid by urban consumers for a representative basket of goods and services, a standard list of items used to track inflation. The CPI is compiled by the Bureau of Labor Statistics and calculated from an average CPI from 1982 to 1984 of 100. CPI is a weighted average price of more than 60,000 goods, services, and housing costs. To the right is a table of the annual CPI values since 1977. The annual value of 172.200 for the year 2000 means that the collection of goods and services that would have cost $100 around 1983 would cost $172.20 in 2000.
Very good. Thanks. Okay. Have you heard about inflation? Everybody knows that, right? Inflation. The price of goods and services in the economy over time, okay? We have rise, okay? Over the time, the prices are rising, not decreasing, okay? It's rising. CPI is a monthly number that reflects the changes in the prices paid by urban consumers for a representative basket of goods and services, okay? Well, here in our textbook, we only get the annual number, okay? Well, actually, we should have a, month by month CPI, okay? However, we don't have that, I don't know, they changed the textbook, okay? We have an annual CPI, okay? But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, it doesn't affect us to still do calculations by using the CPIs, okay? Now guys, let's look at the table. 2017 year 2017 annual $245.12. What does this mean? what does these numbers in this table mean? So where is when the CPI value is close to 100? Where? In which year? In 1983. Okay, in 1983, this 99.6 means the $99.6. Okay, so this table is telling us for same basket of the goods and the service, same thing. Back in 1983, if that basket of goods and services would cost about $100, would cost $99.6. Now, over these many years, the same basket of goods and services price or cost increases or decreases? Increases, okay? The same thing now in 2017. Same basket of the same, okay, will cost how much? $245.12. Do you see that? So this is the meaning for this CPI table. You guys get that? Same thing during these many years. Each year, same thing will cost different. Okay. All right, now, guys, let's turn to page 42, and we can look at question 3 directly. Okay. Page 42. Do question 3. I'm going to ask a volunteer to read this question 3 for us. Okay. Morgan?
Suppose a 20-ounce soda cost 25 cents in 1977. What is the comparable cost in 2015? How does this compare to the actual cost of a 20-ounce soda in 2015? Does the price of soda increase faster or slower than inflation?
Okay, good. Thanks. The CPI values give us the inflation rates, okay, inflations. Okay, so CPIs give us inflation. Now this question 3. 20-ounce soda cost only 25 cents back in 1977. What is a comparable cost in 2015? What do we do, guys? This is a proportion problem, right? It is a proportion problem. How many years are involved in the problem? 2 years, right? 1 year is 1977, the other year is what? 2015. So if we add 1977 this year on the one side, 2015 on the other side, okay? So in 1977, a 20-ounce soda will cost only what? 25 cents. Or I use $0.25. It's up to you. If you use dollars on the top, you also use dollars on top. If you use cents on the top, you also use cents. Okay, make sure the units are consistent. So I'm using a $0.25 for the cost of the soda. We want to compute what? Comparable costs in 2015. So where should we put our X? On the right side, because it's for 2015, and because the cost, it is on the top, and then so this X also represents the cost is on the top, right? What the thing is, how can we fill out the bottom? 1977, the same basket of goods and services will cost for how much? Let's check our CPI table. What is it? Check your CPI table. Give me a number. 1977 CPI? What? 60.6. So this is a CPI. Okay, this is a cost on the top, and then this is a CPI on the bottom. $60.6, the CPI. In 2015, what is the CPI? 237. Even? No? 0.017. 237.017. Right, guys? Okay, now this is a proportion. Okay, are we able to find the X by cross multiplying? Yes, we are. Let me know your X value. Okay, you can do it this way. Use these two numbers. Okay, use it. Use this line that has the two numbers. Multiply them up, and then divide by this number, which is opposite to the x, okay? Multiply these two numbers and then divide by this number. Got it? What is your x value?
$3.91.
$3.91? That much?
Is that not right?
$3.91 is kind of
I got .97.
$0.97.
Never rounded it to.
I don't know what I did there.
$0.97. Well, if you use a 25 cent here, you should get a 97 cents. Either way, okay. So,
Yeah.
so x equals what? $0.97. This value is what? Expected according to the CPI, according to the inflation. It should only cost 97 cents for a soda. How does this expected value compare to the actual cost of a soda in 2015? Do you think in 2015 a soda only cost us 97 cents? It's higher, right? So how to answer this problem? Compared to the actual cost, it is what? Lower, okay? So did the price of soda increase faster or slower than inflation? This is inflation result, right? So actual price is what? Higher, or you say price of soda increase faster than inflation. And then how does this number compare to the actual cost? Lower. Okay, compared to the actual cost, lower, but the real cost increased faster than inflation. This makes sense, right? To answer the question, okay?